what exactly it was that worked best, whether it was the laser treatments or the PRP or the products. I just know that it worked, and I wouldn't want to go somewhere if they didn't have all of those options together.
Had you told me 25 years ago that we'd be offering more than just non-surgical hair replacement, I would have said, really? What else?
We have now brought to Indiana breakthrough technology in hair restoration with our latest in biotech solutions, exosomes, using your body's own stem cells to help with stimulating your hair growth to ensure that you are able to get the thickest, fullest head of hair possible.
We have this standard care. From the moment that someone walks in the door, we educate them, show them the best options to make them feel good about themselves until they walk out our door.
I am loving my new hair now. I've never been more secure, and I'm having a great hair day every day, thanks to Transitions.
They know me by name when I walk in. They don't ask just about me, they ask about my family, my kids, my wife, my job. They absolutely care.
For those that have advanced stages of loss, men or women, our non-surgical hair replacement option is a great one to restore your hair and get back to a more confident state. If you're undergoing hair loss, Transitions of Indiana, we're here to help. We take a global approach with this, customizing a specific plan for you.
In 2011, I was diagnosed with Hodgkin's lymphoma. It was a terrifying time of my life, but my number one concern was losing my hair. It was my identity, and I can understand how hard it is for a person.
The procedure I had done completely restored my hair and completely changed my life.
They have the latest technology in hair restoration and hair transplants.
So I started losing my hair when I was 18, 19 years old. Fortunately enough, I was able to come to We Grow Hair Indy and able to get my hair restored and get my confidence back and really feel my best self.
And we want our clients to look in the mirror and start their day with confidence because they have their hair.
We've seen results in as little as 3 weeks. And for men and women that have been losing their hair for years, they're so happy with their results. FDA-approved laser hair therapy is faster and more effective than ever before.
I was at a total loss. I had no hope until I came to Transitions. And once I got to Transitions, I not only left with that hope, but also with actual products in my hands so that I could start the treatment right away.
The great thing about hair restoration is that there's no one person we cannot help. We want to restore your hair and your life. Call now for a free hair and scalp analysis. Fuller, thicker hair is just a phone call away.